So now let's learn how we can create our own website homepage from scratch, but from the template. Okay, so you don't need to working on the design part. You just need to finish the templates. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. So as you can see, this is the home page, right? So I want to delete that first. Go to the pages here. Okay, and you can see this is the home page. Let me just delete this. Press. Now, once you click on the trash, your page is deleted. Okay. Now, whenever you open website, you can see your website look like this, but you can go to the other pages like this. Now, I need to make that home page, right? So how we can do this? So just click on the add new page here, and I'm going to make that page as a home, make it public, right? And add it with element, right? And just wait some seconds. Now you can see there's an option of this as icon, this element. Click on this. Now you can add any page here. Okay, so I like this one. Okay, this one page. You can see this one. Fantastic, cool. Now let's click on the import template. Okay, and we are importing that template, and wait some seconds. And it's done. Let me just make it public, and let me just open the website. Public. Let me just change something. What do you want? Suppose once you choose the hope, anything is possible. Get it started. I'm gonna just change the get it started. So let's go something. Okay, and let's make it public. Now let's refresh this. Oh, page is gone. Where is that page? So let's go to the dashboard. Okay, relax. Don't worry. And the left side you'll see the setting option. Click on here and just click on the reading option. You can see the select the static page and select home page as home, the created, and just save it. Done. Let's refresh it. Done. Just hard refresh it. But sometimes, as you can see here, I can't see my page. Why? The reason is because of cache. Okay. So when you try to open this, okay, in the incognito, you can see your page look like this. Cool. Now, why this thing happening? So sometimes our Chrome store the cache like this. The old version he is stored and he is showing me again and again. So how we can fix it? Okay. So we can see the option of push all. Just click on this. Okay. And this is done. You can remove the cache from here against the setting option. Click on the cookies inside data and manage on device and just delete it. Once you delete it, all the cache will go. You can see this is the home page we created. We change that. Let's go. And now if you want to change anything, you can do just add it anything here from here and you can change your page. Cool. So finally we created a single page from using the template and we have modified according to our requirement. Cool. So like this, you can create a multiple pages in your website. Now let me show you how we can create a menu from scratch.